Okay, whoever made this route made my worst nightmare. How did I not fall there?
It has been programmed, this forest to...
Finally more forests. Just finished another field, and there was an interesting way up into this. What the hell? Okay, focus. I need just a little bit focus on the road. Oh, lovely place. Lovely trees. I'm from Norway, and I can appreciate trees, good trees.
I call to the mountains, seen across the bay. The moon comes always, steady yesterday. I'll take stillness as the sign to write a song.
So, how sharp is that turn? Oh, there's a gate there, so I guess it's not that sharp. Approximately this sharp. Single track again. See, this should not be illegal most places. Just a wonderful way to explore a country. I do get the exhaust sound problem though, but I don't know. Be stricter with that and less strict with roads like this. And that also means we gotta drive more carefully. Ooh, what the? Wait, okay. Because there might be people walking here, you know? Lovely track. Nice formation. Parallel with the railroad tracks again. Wow. This area looks very wet. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's fine. So on the field again. It's a lovely trail. That is a problem. It's not supposed to be close there. I mean, it's not impossible, just it's impossible for me, I think. Wow. Windy here. Jesus Christ, this is scary. That went so much better than what I thought. Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, that got my pulse up. Oh, wait. Oh. GPS must be wrong. Oh no. Did I take the wrong way? Oh no. Right, so I had to take to the left. Oh no. Oh, this is one of the stupidest things I've done. I don't feel safer at all. I feel like I'm not supposed to be here. I feel like, yeah, this cliff will fall down if I drive here. This is for people tougher than I am. And see, this isn't even safe to drive. Luckily it's not far down here, but still stupid with this huge bike. Oh yeah. Okay, I decided I'd rather take my chances on the field, not here, so I gotta go over this bump again. This one doesn't look as bad as the other one, but I don't know, it's sad. This trail looks really good. The other one is just in the, I don't know. Okay, I'll try again. Wow, that wasn't supposed to go. Oh yeah, this is sand. I would really love it. Oh, it's a trail. Oh, thank you. Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay. That was exciting. Christ. Yet again, the route wants me to do strange things. Oh. See, I'm very happy about not having big metal-y boxes now. footage. There's gonna be some serious editing after this trip.